yourself headband half wig. Now, are y'all ready for this review? Are you seriously ready for this? Y'all ain't ready. Hi, welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. Today I'm back with another wig review on this wig right here. You all already know, but I'm going to actually make it with the headband attached to it, sewed on. You see, I already sewed it onto the wig, the half wig. So all you have to do is you can wear it as is, or you definitely can add one of these little pretty headbands. So that's what I'm going to do. So I added the band to it. It's super easy to do. So you got the Velcro on it. All I did was I went to the beauty supply store and bought this a wig grip. Okay? And just sewed it right at the top. Not all the way around. Just from there to from that comb to comb. Well, no, a little bit over. Right there. Okay? So, let's try this on. And before we get all the way deep into this review, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, please do so, because your support is so important to my channel. It motivates me to make these videos and not to give up. Now let's jump right into the rest of this review. Let's do the 360. Okay, this is the side, honey. My princesses, the back, and the other side. Yes, I am feeling this, loving it. Oh yes. Y'all, I am really liking this. I'm so glad I got the needle out, okay, the thread, and sewed that. And I wanted to sew the little band on there, because if you just try to go in and just put that over that little, you know, it might slide off, okay? But this black band that I put on there keeps everything in place. So that's why I sewed it on there. So I hope y'all will give this a try. Try out the headband half wig. I'm going to come at you with some more reviews on this, because I really like it. It's super, super cute. It's super easy. It's fast, quick, convenient, honey. Grab and go. All right. Ooh, just slick down the edges. Pop her on. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Pop her on. All right. She's my type of wig, because I'm boss lady, okay? I'm boss lady, and I own my own business and all this stuff, and I don't have much time to be dealing with my hair. That's why I absolutely love wigs. But I really like this because it helps save the edges, okay? All right. I'm just rambling along, y'all, because I love y'all. I love y'all. I'm just rambling, okay? But yeah, she's pretty cute. She's pretty cute. So you can do different styles with her. If you want to put her in a little ponytail in the back with this, you can wear it to the side, kind of like that. Okay, I popped her in some kind of little bun at the top. Now, don't y'all ask me to show y'all the back because I already know that. No. This is close up on her. All right, let's get close and personal. Close and personal. Okay. And I don't know how she looking back there, but I'm going to show you all. Okay. Because I don't know exactly what's all going on back there, but you probably can put this up if it's looking pretty nice. Oh yes, honey. She is like silk over here. She got a very nice yaki texture, but this is so soft. It's like it doesn't tangle, honey. She ain't shedding hardly any at all. This wig is definitely a winner for sure. And I never wore any before until now. I will definitely be rocking her. I didn't know how awesome she was. Okay, at this time I'm going to do a voiceover just to show the things that I used to create this look. Alright, I used needle and thread, the wig grip, the headband, and the half wig called Annie. Thank you all so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.